Imagine trying to merge four speeding lanes of highway traffic into a single lane, right? But nobody ever taps their brakes.
That sounds like a total nightmare to manage.
It really does. But that is exactly the kind of bottleneck you face when you're cramming four distinct 4K video feeds onto a single monitor at 60 frames per second. So, welcome to today's deep dive.
Yeah, we are skipping the basic HDMI switchers today and looking at the absolute extreme limits of screen management.
Right, we are looking at the Avenview HDM2-SPLITPRO-T4K-V3 4x2 HDMI 4K quad multiviewer. I know, it's a massive mouthful.
It really is, but it's a massive name for a device that solves, well, a pretty massive data problem. Most standard switchers just toggle between inputs, like input A goes dark, input B lights up.
Oh, right, just one at a time.
Exactly. But this device keeps all four lanes moving at once, just merging them seamlessly on the one Ultra HD display.
Okay, so let's unpack this traffic bottleneck analogy a bit more. It's like a high-tech traffic cop, but instead of cars, it's instantly resizing and routing those pixels.
Yeah, routing the pixel data on the fly. And to pull that off without dropping frames, the internal processor has to constantly map pixels from four entirely different clock domains into a single unified grid.
Wait, four different clock domains? That sounds incredibly intense.
It is. That's why its 18 gigabit per second bandwidth is so critical. It prevents the data bottleneck entirely.
So no traffic jams on the highway.
Exactly. And it's not just video, actually. It's actively routing uncompressed 7.1 channel digital audio, too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can isolate one audio track, mute the rest, and still monitor all four live video feeds simultaneously.
Okay, but I'm struggling to see the practical utility here for a second. Let's say I take a pristine 4K screen and chop it up into four 1080p quadrants. Haven't I just degraded the viewing experience for you?
Well, it depends on.
I mean, why not just buy four cheap monitors and line them up? Doesn't this just become an overwhelming wall of visual clutter?
It's a fair point, but four monitors create physical bezels, right? You get this disjointed visual real estate. What this hardware does is unify that space. Okay, I see.
It comes with control software that lets you dictate the exact layout using picture-in-picture or picture-side-picture. You can actively crop out dead space.
Like those annoying black bars from a mismatched aspect ratio.
Precisely. So you aren't wasting pixels on useless information.
So it's about custom puzzle fitting the data. I read it even allows for a 90-degree rotation on a single input. So if someone feeds in like a vertical video from a phone, you just rotate it.
Yeah, you just rotate it to fit the layout perfectly instead of dealing with massive black borders.
That's actually brilliant.
Yeah.
But what about switching between these layouts? Is it jarring?
Not at all. The system uses smooth visual transitions, fades, wipes, dissolves, and it's all mapped across 8 preset hotkeys. You command the visual real estate seamlessly without giving the audience whiplash.
Right, but managing 18 gigabits of data this smoothly comes with a serious price tag. I mean, we're talking $4,665.33.
Yeah, it's definitely an investment. But it comes with a 3-year warranty, and it's sold by HDTV Supply, a vendor out of Kenmore, New York. And they've spent, the last 25 years outfitting heavy-duty commercial setups and sports bars?
Right. They know their stuff.
So why does a sports bar in upstate New York need a near $5,000 piece of military-grade AV gear? And more importantly, what does this mean for you, the listener, if you aren't running a commercial bar?
Well, in commercial environments, reliability is revenue. A single dropped frame or a laggy transition during a major broadcast literally loses customers. They are paying for zero latency reliability.
Right, not just a fancy splitter.
Exactly. It even includes a USB 3.0 port specifically for capturing that merged full HD video straight to a PC. But for you, the listener, high-end commercial tech always previews the future of our everyday consumer setups.
Oh, so we're looking at what's coming to our home offices soon.
You got it. We're moving into an era of hyper-complex remote collaborations. The ability to effortlessly capture, crop, and merge multiple massive data streams onto a single monitor is rapidly becoming relevant for individual power users.
That makes a lot of sense. So we've gone from an incredibly intimidating product name to understanding the absolute cutting edge of video distribution. We've seen how massive bandwidth allows this ultimate traffic cop to manage immense visual real estate without a single collision.
It really is a testament to how far display technology has evolved.
Yeah.
It gives us the power to manage multiple realities at once.
It really does. But, it leaves you with a pretty wild thought to chew on. Our hardware can now flawlessly direct and merge 4 simultaneous 4K realities onto a single screen without dropping a frame.
Yeah, it's incredible.
But is our biological hardware, our brain, actually evolving fast enough to process all that simultaneous information? Like, if the ultra high definition highway of the future has zero traffic jams, are we even ready to drive on it?